So when you're on the Hashing Space login page, you basically have these tabs right there at the top, right? So you got the about page, the services, the statistics, login, and register button, right? So this is on your Hashing Space login page just before you log in. So today I want to show you a quick way to actually keep up to date with how much the ASIMI token is actually worth and what's going on with the Hashing Space numbers. You know, what are the minting stats, what are the circulating supply, and so forth, right? So how you do this is basically just by hitting the statistics button right there. So what this does is it takes you to a statistics page where there is all the stats that you need to know about Hashing Space. I know in the previous videos I showed you how to read the graph on Hashing Space using the DEX exchange, where they actually provide you with a detailed graph on how much the ASIMI token came down from, which was about over $20 US in today's Bitcoin value. If we look back where it actually came down from, all the way to right now it's like 5 cents. 5 cents USD. So if you didn't get a chance to view that video, you can check out the link down below. There's a link to the playlist where you can find all those videos. Then I really recommend just for you to know what is going on with Hashing Space and why I believe that it's gonna go back to at least $1 US, starting at 50 cents for one ASIMI token. But the main target right now is just for it to hit at least $1 US within the next few months, right? So that is the main target. Why I'm saying that it is best to keep your ASIMI tokens right now as much as you can, because right now you have the chance to earn the most ASIMI tokens compared to when the value was high, right? I mean, it makes sense that when the token is low, you get the most for the same time spent on the website compared to when the token value is high, right? Right now, as I said, we're just waiting for the token to hit at least 50 cents. But my main goal, my main target is $1 US per ASIMI token, because I've seen the last time that I transacted, when I withdrew, the coin was worth over $1.50, because I remember I took out 27 ASIMI tokens and they were worth over $50 US, right? So that's why I'm actually encouraging you guys to stake these ASIMI tokens with me. If you're new to this channel, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, hit the like button down below, leave a comment down below if you got any questions. Also check out the link down below to the Telegram group where I can help you one-on-one if you got any questions, or just to be in an environment where people are sharing more ways to make money. So it's quite active these days. We have hit just above 60 members. Thank you for all the new members in our group. I really appreciate that. And thank you for the 200 subscribers on this channel. Let's keep this channel growing and reach out to more people. Thank you very much. So anyways, in today's video, as you can see, these are actually live statistics of Hashing Space, ASIMI token, and everything that's happening on Hashing Space, right? So what you want to do is just scroll down to the bottom right here, just to check the price. So this is where you see the ASIMI price for the current price, right? So as you can see, this is what it is worth in Bitcoin right now, as of today, right now, as I'm recording this video. Today is the Monday. I think I'm uploading on the same day. Today is actually Monday, 23 September, yeah? So 2019, yeah. So this is the current ASIMI Bitcoin price, ASIMI price in Bitcoin. And then once you translate it into US dollars, which is the main target, right? We want to get this ASIMI token traded for either Ethereum, Bitcoin, or other coins that are available on the market. Then we transact this cryptocurrency into PayPal money, which is very easy. If you also haven't watched videos on how to do that, or if you want more videos on that, just let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, check out the Telegram group, as I said before, and also the playlist also has some of those videos that I shared the best ways to get your cryptocurrency into actual USD, PayPal, or to your bank, to your payer accounts, all these different online processes, right? So you can get them even up to your Visa bank account card, straight your cryptocurrency straight to your bank account. So just watch the previous videos as well on the playlist, and then you'll be able to actually get more knowledge on that. This is actual the actual price right now. So right now it's just worth 0.05 cents. Why? Because Bitcoin actually just took a dip from 10.2K all the way to 9,900. As you can see, 9,943, that's the current Bitcoin price. So it went down by 1%, 1.4%, 1.04%, that's about 104 US dollars. So I think this is in the last few hours or one day. So anyways, as you can see, this is the current price. But as you know, Bitcoin has been going all the way to 10,500. 10,000. That's where it was in the previous weeks, right? So obviously that influences the price of ASIMI token in USD dollar, because ASIMI token price is based on the Bitcoin value. So when the Bitcoin value goes up, obviously the ASIMI token is also worth a little bit more compared to what it is right now, right? So it all just based on the it's all based on the price of Bitcoin. And so now, to be able to cash out on ASIMI tokens, to be able to cash out your ASIMI earnings on hashing space, you basically need $50 worth of ASIMI tokens, right? So what does that mean when you have one ASIMI token worth this much? That simply means you're going to need at least 1,000 tokens to be able to cash out $50. Just did the quick math right there. As you can see, $50 divided by each coin worth just 5 cents. Then that's the amount of ASIMI tokens that you need right now as of today to cash out. But as Bitcoin goes back up above 1,000, that price will obviously change as the Bitcoin price goes up and down. But right now, with the average of ASIMI token of Bitcoin ranging between 9,900 and 10,200, that's at least 800 to 1,000 ASIMI tokens that you need to be able to cash out for the first time, or to be able to cash out whenever you need to cash out, because that's the basic minimums for you to cash out on Hash space. Your ASIMI tokens need to be worth $50. So anyways, I think I showed you proof of my other videos. So if you also want to watch the proof, you can use the link down below as well to the playlist where I showed the proof of payment and the withdrawal process and how it goes, right? So you can also check that down below. Anyway, so what else can you find on this 36 page? So the supply maximum, as you can see, is 67 million ASIMI tokens, and right now circulating we got only 10%, 6.7 million currently in circulating supply. And then, as you can see here, there's ASIMI burnt. Well, what does this mean? So this is actually taking ASIMI out of the circulating supply for like forever, which helps to increase the demand for the token, right? And then when there's more demand than supply, that means the price goes up. So this is just to help ASIMI boost its price, which was introduced earlier this year, also a few months ago. They introduced this just to help increase the value on ASIMI token. So these are actually burnt and they're out of circulating supply. So these are gone. They're totally they're destroyed forever. Those will never come back into the circulating supply. Add minting. So this is another way where you can earn ASIMI tokens by add minting. I think I showed that in the previous videos as well. And then admin and others. So this just the way the ASIMI tokens actually distributed right now, where it is coming from and so forth. So this is just a quick stats that you can use to view what is going on with hashing space. So if you want to know more about hashing space and what is happening, this, as you can see, so 8 views per minute. This is actually crazy, man. Look at this. So right now there's actually 246.6 thousand members on hashing space. ASIMI minted, we got 5.5 million ASIMI minted. This minting basically is earning ASIMI tokens for viewing ads. That is what's actually happening. So as you can see, if you just open this tab, this is the amount of ASIMI tokens that people are earning per minute. So this is actually stats per minute. This graph is being drawn every single minute, which is actually crazy to have details on something down to this detail, like down to a minute. That is actually just shows long-term legit business that is actually happening here. So this I believe is going to be here for quite some time, because they're here to provide value for both the earners and the advertisers, right? So advertisers make their money advertising products, right? And then the people who view those ads, they actually get paid for with ASIMI tokens. So right now, you can basically earn up to 6 ASIMI tokens totally for free, without any referrals, without any without investing any money upfront. You can earn up to 6 ASIMI tokens every single day. So to be able to cash out, that means right now at this price, let's just say at 1,000 divided by, divided by 6 ASIMI. If you're gonna be watching all ads, viewing all 50 ads for free, you're gonna need 166 days to be able to cash out that. That's what, divided by 30 days. I think that's about 5 months. Okay, that's quite some time to be able. But then this ASIMI token is actually increasing every single day, right? So it started to be like around 4 ASIMI tokens every single day that you'll be able to earn viewing all 50 ads. to be able to cash out, right? So it started at 4 and now it's at 6 point something. So it's increasing every single day. So this might actually become smaller according to the Bitcoin price. As Bitcoin price goes up, also ASIMI price goes up. So you might, as I said at the beginning of the video, I only needed 27 ASIMI tokens to be able to cash out $50 back in February this year, 2019. So that's why I'm saying, like, okay, yeah, right now it might not seem like it's worth it, but if you keep your ASIMI tokens in your wallet and then just wait for it to be at least for worth 50 cents, which is quite, I think that will be able to be done within the next few months. And then, but my target, as I said, I'm waiting for ASIMI token to be worth at least $1 US. So that means that 1,000 ASIMI tokens will be worth exactly either $500 US or $1,000 US. So that's why I'm actually keeping these ASIMI tokens right now. And let me see if I can just quickly log in for you guys to show you a quick proof on this, to show you my withdrawal history. Because as I said, as you all know, if you're part of Hashing Space or if you want to join, the link is down below. But what I'm saying is, like, we all know that to be able to cash out on ASIMI tokens, on Hashing Space, you need ASIMI token worth over $50 US, right? So I'm just going to prove to you that I only needed less than 50 ASIMI tokens to actually withdraw, which was, when I transacted it, it was worth over $100 US back then. So again, if you missed the video on this, when you hit this login button, I'm actually getting paid for simply logging in. So I also made a video about that earlier last week. So you can check out the link down below for the playlist as well, just to watch this video on how to get started setting up this. It's totally for free. If you have one ASIMI token on your dashboard, you can get started being paid for simply logging in. So it's quite another free way to earn ASIMI tokens. So as you can see, this is currently my balance because I staked my other 578 ASIMI tokens. So as you can see right there, this is my other balance that's going to be paid out on the 8th of October, because I actually staked it in the login stake. So I've got this plus that. That's my current balance right now for Hashing Space. Okay, so what I wanted to show you is that if you come to transaction here and then go to withdrawal history, let me just quickly show you right there. So as you can see, March, it's actually March 21, just March 21, 2019. I cashed out 45 ASIMI tokens, and these were worth obviously over $50. So that means the ASIMI token was worth over $1 each, right? As I said, if I can prove to you, let me see if I can go to the withdrawal page quickly. As you can see, 45 ASIMI tokens, 45.6. That means ASIMI token was worth at least $1 US just on the March 21st. So if I want to withdraw funds right now, you're going to say I won't be able to withdraw this. It's going to tell me that I need $50 worth of ASIMI. This is just to prove to you that you actually that ASIMI token was worth way quite a lot back in just March this year. So right there, I put 10 ASIMI and then I say withdraw, and then you're gonna see it's gonna actually it's gonna actually send out a message or a notification letting you know that you need $50 worth of ASIMI tokens to be able to withdraw. So as you can see, you are attempting to withdraw less than the minimum withdrawal of $50 of ASIMI tokens. So please enter higher value. As you can see, that's just to prove to you that ASIMI tokens just back in March was worth over $1.50. As I said, that 45 ASIMI tokens actually got me over $100 US for simply logging in and viewing ads every single day. So this is quite worth it if you guys are interested. As you can see, login stake, I just got paid right there. For affiliate, also got paid for adding people for inviting people to this platform. View to earn, I watched all 50 ads. As you can see, 6.6 ASIMI tokens, and this is increasing every single day. And then the stake, the return, this for my stake, for staking ASIMI for minting ads. So I actually have 2 ASIMI stakes. So that is being brought back to me every single day in portions. And then obviously for viewing those 2 ASIMI minting ads, I also get paid. And then yeah, so that's basically all the payments for right now that I got on this transaction. So if you enjoyed this video, if you find value in this, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.